Hi everyone, welcome to 262nd episode of Campus This Week. I'm RJ Apeksha, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by On Spot Services Siliguri. The headlines this week: College host IGNOU's 39th Convocation, lecture on nationalism fires up students. Newspaper host first time voter interaction in college, photo of the week. The news in detail. Siliguri, college host IGNOU's 39th Convocation. Here's a special report. Vidhi Dudhani, Department of English, 6th semester reports.
The Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, held its 39th convocation on April 7, 2026, conferring degrees, diplomas and certificates to some 3,24,000 learners across India. The central ceremony was held at the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Convention Centre, New Delhi, with the Honourable Vice President of India, Shri C.P. Radhakrishnan, as chief guest. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Shri Taranjit Singh Sandhu, also graced the occasion, underscoring the importance of the event. Simultaneous convocations took place at 51 regional centres and centres in 15 countries. In North Bengal, the Siliguri Regional Centre hosted the parallel event at Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri, a long-standing partner institution of IGNOU. Students who completed their programs in December 2024 and June 2025 term-end examinations received their degrees during the ceremony. Siliguri Regional Centre, established in 2004, has some 9,000 registered learners spread out in 16 study centres across 7 districts of North Bengal, doing some 143 UG, PG or diploma programs. Of these, 2,247 learners were eligible for their degree certificates and only 151 registered for the convocation, some of whom came with their parents or guardians. Here's a message from Chief Guest in Siliguri, Vice Chancellor of Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalay, Cooch Bihar, Professor Debrata Basu.
Learning is a continuous process. Till the last breath of our life, we can learn. And IGNOU is a platform where we can learn till the end of our life. So age is not a barrier. The courses they offer, they are unique and very diversified, very relevant to lead a life and to lead a life for the society. And these courses are very scientifically developed by a great team of scholars, and they are offering open education in a very scientific way. So, as an educationist, my feeling is that each and every person at different age, they can equip themselves with the latest knowledge that we have as per their requirement at any space of their life, at anywhere across the world itself. So that's the uniqueness of IGNOU at present.
That was Professor Debrata Basu speaking. Senior Regional Director of IGNOU, Siliguri, Dr. Biswajit Bhomik, has words of encouragement for learners.
College started as a study center of IGNOU way back in 2016. So for the last 10 years, this college is serving our learning community in Siliguri and adjoining areas. Many masters and bachelor degree programs, including professional programs, are activated, and students are getting lots of benefits from the unique infrastructure facilities at this center. And I must congratulate all the part-time staff members, the coordinators, assistant coordinators, Principal Father Babu and other authorities of Salesian College for beautifully running IGNOU Study Center at this college.
That was Dr. Biswajit Bhomik speaking. Now, meet an English literature student from Dhupguri who explains why he chose IGNOU for his BA Honours degree.
Hello everyone, I am Shekhar. I have come from Dhupguri. I have just completed my graduation from IGNOU. Regional branch is Siliguri. and I'm very happy for attending this convocation ceremony. I have been waiting for this for a long time because I chose IGNOU 5 years back when I heard about it, and it's a very tremendous experience accomplishing my degree, undergraduate degree from here in BA Honors English, and it has been a journey of 3 years, and I have got so much knowledge from these materials which IGNOU provided for the last 3 years, and it has some features online, e-GAN course, and I have read out the whole syllabus, the entire syllabus, and I've been able to gather much knowledge. And IGNOU is the largest university, as you all know, in the whole world, and in India it has been running a very tremendous job. And I am happy here for attending this convocation today because it has arranged such a grand function to award and to give respect to all the learners who have just accomplished their degrees either in masters or in BA or some other courses as well. And I'm here to receive the certificate, and I'm honored to receive the certificate from such honorable persons.
That was IGNOU graduate Shekhar Das speaking. And finally, Director of Salesian College Siliguri IGNOU Study Center, Father Dr. P.T. Saju, gives a brief glimpse of the IGNOU Study Center.
Salesian College Siliguri started the IGNOU Study Center in 2011. From that time onwards, there were numerous admissions in this study center because people are struggling with their financial situation. Therefore, this was a viable option for them to continue their academic studies and other activities. And we have at present 3,000 plus students already studying from this center, and many successful cases we have already been awarded. And recently we concluded with the convocation where we awarded all the degree, PG and UG degrees. And we have 23 staff working throughout the week, specifically those who are appointed for this particular center. And we have weekends basically open for this particular center for distant classes as well as other support activities. And recently we concluded this program with lots of successful candidates achieving big marks in their examinations and being quite successful in all their academic careers.
That was Salesian IGNOU Study Center Director Father Saju speaking.
The special news feature was reported by Vidhi Dudhani. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Sonada, lecture on nationalism fires up students. Alisha Khawas, Sociology Department, 4th semester reports.
On 1st April 2026, the Department of History organized a special lecture on the theme Revisiting Rise of Nationalism and Social Groups in India at Salesian College, Sonada. The session was delivered by Dr. Saurabh Chetri, who provided valuable insights into the historical evolution of nationalism in India. The program began with a prayer led by Brother Jimlistar Lingdo, creating a reflective atmosphere for the event. The session was emceed by Shrishtina Subba, who formally introduced Dr. Chetri and honored him with a traditional kada. Dr. Chetri engaged students with a detailed discussion on key concepts such as nationalism, militant nationalism, and peasantry. His lecture encouraged critical thinking and helped students understand the role of different social groups in shaping the nationalist movement in India. An interactive question and answer session followed, where students actively participated and sought clarifications, making the session more engaging and insightful. The program concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Brother Jimlistar Lingdo. As a token of appreciation, Ms. Srishti Rai, head of the department, presented a memento to the speaker. Overall, the lecture was highly fruitful, enabling students to deepen their understanding of important historical concepts and their relevance in today's context.
Alisha Khawas reporting. Siliguri, newspaper host first-time voter interaction in college. Anuja Bharari, Department of Political Science, 4th semester reports.
April 10th, Salesian College Siliguri came alive with youthful energy as popular Hindi newspaper Dainik Jagran hosted its first-time voter interaction under the Election Chaupal initiative. Modeled on the traditional village gathering space, the program gave students from diverse departments a platform to share their views on democracy and civic responsibility. The students from departments of education, psychology, management studies, social work, music, physical education, physics, CSA, DS and computer science, economics, and geography participated. The collaboration offered first-time voters a chance to voice opinions that will feature in national election coverage, strengthening dialogues on participation and democratic values.
Anuja Bharari reporting. Photo of the week. Roslyn alumna of Salesian College Siliguri Mass Communication and Journalism Department 2021 to 2024 batch got the Best Student Award for 2025 to 2026 at the Xavier Institute of Communication in Mumbai. The award presented on April 11th recognized her outstanding performance in the film, television and digital media courses. At Xavier's, her social documentary, off-stage and digital projects earned praise for narrative depth and technical excellence. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by On Spot Services, Siliguri. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.